Question 17, which of the following is a synonym of stamping? And remember, this is talking about or describing how the people are stamping their feet to keep them warm. So what's another word that means stamping? Well, it is C, stomping, because they're certainly not doing anything lightly and tiptoeing, and they're not dancing. And marking and inking don't relate to stamping in this sense. They relate to stamping if you were using an ink stamp to say well done or something like that on a piece of paper. So that's the different meaning of stamping. So that's why it's really important that you look at the context of the word within the passage in order to work out what it means in that passage, as it is used in that passage. Okay, so C is what we want this time, stomping.